Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make popcorn on the stove. You need three items: your pan, some popping corn, and sugar. So we're going to put some butter, or you can use oil, into a hot pan or into any pan of your choice. And then we're going to put some sugar into that butter. After doing so, we're going to add the popping corn to the butter sugar mixture. Now stir this mixture. We'll stir and stir to prevent the sugar from getting burnt. So we'll stir until it begins to pop. Once we see the first popcorn or first two popcorns, then we'll close the pot with the lid and to avoid it from spilling out of the pot. As you can see, our popcorn is beginning to pop. So we're going to cover it with a lid to allow it to keep popping. And we're going to reduce the heat from high heat to medium to low heat so our popcorn does not get burnt. Pop, 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 and we'll shake as well. Still to avoid the popcorn from getting burnt. So we're just checking our popcorn right now. As you can see, it's done. Which will avoid the water, the mist that has gathered on the lid, to not go into the pot. So we'll just take it off and we'll stir a little. But yeah, your popcorn is ready. You can serve in a bowl and enjoy for movie night. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe.